Karma guy here. Check out this 2006 Cadillac SRX with extremely low miles, only 59K and one owner. Recently serviced with over $2,545 in upgrades, including spark plugs, ignition coils, brake pads/rotors, and a fresh oil/filter change. Plus, it has current GA state emissions and is ready to go. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3 months or 3,000 miles warranty, and includes a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We've also included a recent computer scan with no warning lights and a clean bill of health. As always, pre-purchase inspections are encouraged for your peace of mind. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status with warranty and service plan. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.